Did you know that oatmeal was once used as a healing food in ancient China and Greece? Yes, it's true. Long before it became a staple breakfast item, oatmeal was recognized for its health benefits by ancient civilizations. In fact, it was often used as a soothing agent for the skin and as a remedy for various ailments. Its high nutritional value and healing properties made it a prized possession. Now let's dive into what this ancient food can do for our bodies in the modern age. Oatmeal isn't just a humble breakfast dish, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Let's dissect this superfood, shall we? A single cup of cooked oatmeal packs in a hefty dose of dietary fiber. This not only keeps your tummy satisfied for longer, but also aids in digestion. Now, let's talk protein. Oatmeal isn't shy in this department either, making it a fantastic choice for those morning gains. But that's not all. Oatmeal is also brimming with essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which supports our nervous system, to iron, which helps our blood carry oxygen. It's like a natural multivitamin. And the sugar content? Surprisingly low. Unlike many breakfast options, oatmeal won't send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride. Instead, it provides a steady release of energy. With such a nutritional profile, it's no wonder oatmeal has some incredible effects on our bodies. First up, let's explore how oatmeal boosts our digestive health. Oatmeal, a breakfast staple for many, is chock full of dietary fiber. This fiber not only keeps you feeling full, but also plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy digestive system. You see, the fiber in oatmeal is largely insoluble, which means it passes through our bodies relatively intact. But don't be fooled, this isn't idle travel. As it journeys through our digestive tract, this insoluble fiber adds bulk to our stool, promoting regular and healthy bowel movements. Moreover, oatmeal is also a source of soluble fiber, which absorbs water and softens stool, making it easier to pass. This can be particularly beneficial in preventing uncomfortable conditions like constipation. In essence, a daily dose of oatmeal can work wonders for your digestive health, fostering regularity and aiding overall digestion. So, oatmeal not only keeps you full, but also keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Next, we turn to the heart, the organ that oatmeal seems to love. Now, why is that? The answer lies in the soluble fiber found in oatmeal, a form of fiber that dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance. This soluble fiber actively works to lower your cholesterol levels. Here's how it works. As the soluble fiber travels through your digestive tract, it binds with the bad LDL cholesterol, helping to remove it from your body. This action reduces the amount of cholesterol that circulates in your bloodstream, which in turn lowers your risk of developing heart disease. Moreover, research suggests that individuals who eat a diet rich in soluble fiber have a slower buildup of plaque in their arteries. This plaque can cause narrowing and hardening of the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Clearly, eating oatmeal daily is a heart-smart move. Now, for those looking to manage their weight, oatmeal might be your best friend. You see, oatmeal is rich in two key nutrients, fiber and protein. These aren't just any nutrients, they're superstars when it comes to keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Fiber, particularly the soluble type found in oatmeal, slows down the digestive process. This means it takes longer for your body to process, keeping you feeling full for longer. Then there's protein, another hunger-busting nutrient. It's been found that protein can help control appetite by inducing feelings of fullness. And guess what? Oatmeal has a fair share of it. So when you start your day with a bowl of oatmeal, you're not just getting a tasty breakfast, but also setting yourself up for a day where you're less likely to give in to those mid-morning snack cravings. So, if you're watching your weight, a bowl of oatmeal could be a great way to start your day. Lastly, let's talk about oatmeal's role in blood sugar control. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which are slowly released into the bloodstream. This slow release prevents the sudden spikes and lows in blood sugar levels that can occur after consuming simple sugars. But that's not all. Oatmeal is also packed with fiber, particularly a type called Beta-Glucan. This fiber further slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, thus providing a steady supply of energy while keeping blood sugar levels under control. This dual action of complex carbohydrates and fiber makes oatmeal a smart choice, especially for those managing conditions like diabetes. It's like a natural regulator, ensuring a smooth flow of energy and maintaining balance in our body's sugar levels. So the next time you're thinking about breakfast, remember oatmeal not only fills you up, but also keeps your blood sugar in check. It seems oatmeal can help keep your blood sugar levels steady. So we've learned a lot about the benefits of daily oatmeal consumption. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We've delved into the unexpected facts about oatmeal, uncovering its rich nutritional profile that makes it more than just your average breakfast dish. We've discovered how packed it is with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, providing us with the energy we need to kickstart our day. We've also explored how oatmeal enhances our digestive health, acting as a natural regulator for our system. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, keeping things running smoothly, and preventing issues like constipation. Then, we took a look at oatmeal's role in heart health. It's been shown that the soluble fiber found in oatmeal can help lower our LDL or bad cholesterol levels, reducing our risk of heart disease and stroke. We've additionally delved into oatmeal's contribution to weight management. The feeling of fullness it provides can prevent overeating, supporting our weight loss goals. Last but not least, we've discussed how oatmeal can help control blood sugar levels. Its low glycemic index means it releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly, preventing those sudden spikes and crashes. All in all, it's clear to see why oatmeal has been a staple food for centuries. It's not just a breakfast dish, it's a daily boost for our bodies.